Hello dear students, welcome back again to the maths class of standard 5. We are discussing chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. In the previous session, we studied the topic colorful design. Now today let us continue with the topic sports day. So student, open your NCERT maths book, page number 141. Sports day. The school at Mallapuram has its sports day. The first 5 children in the long jump are. So children, here you can see the name of first 5 children in the long jump. Tina 3.50 meter, Meena 4.05 meter, Rihanna 4.50 meter, Anu 3.05 meter, Amina 3.35 meter. Now question is, Tina jumped 3.50 meter, which is 3 meter and 50 centimeter. Here you can see 3.50 meter, and which can be also written as 3 meter and 50 centimeter. But how far did Anu jump? So here Anu jumped 3.05 meter. This can be written as 3 meter and 5 centimeter. So 3 meter and 5 centimeter. Who is the winner in the long jump? If you see here, Rihanna jumped 4.50 meter, and this is the longer jump than other girls. So Rihanna is the winner in the long jump. Now let us move on to the page number 142. Now write the names of the first, second and third winners on this stand. So let us see here who is the first. First is Rihanna. This is first. Now second is Meena, because she covered 4.05 meter in long jump. So this is second, Meena. And who is third? Third is Tina, because she covered 3.50 meter. So Tina is the third. So Rihanna, Meena and Tina. Let us write the answer. So here first is Rihanna, second is Meena and third is Tina. These are the first 3 winners. Now do you remember that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters? So 1 centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. And we also write 1 centimeter as 1/100th meter. That means 0.01 meter. So we can write 1 centimeter as 1/100th meter. That means 1/100 meter. Or we can also write it as 0.01 meter. So student, I hope you remember this. We have learned in the previous topics in this chapter. Now write in meters. Here 3 meter 45 centimeter. We have to write this in meter. So 3 meter we will write as it is. So 3 meter plus 45 centimeter, we have to convert it into meter. So as here mentioned that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100th of a meter. So 45 centimeter is equal to 45/100 centimeter. And this also we can write as 0.45 in decimal. So here 0.45 meter. Now let us add these numbers. So 3 plus 0.45, and here after decimal point 20, because here 2 digits are after decimal point. So 5, 4, here decimal point, and here 3, and these all are meter. So 3.45 is the answer, 3.45 meter. Now second, 99 centimeter is equal to dash meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100th of a meter, and that we can write as 0.01 meter. So 99 centimeter is equal to 99 upon 100 meter is equal to 0.99 meter. So we can write here 0.99 meters. Now here 1 meter and 5 centimeter is equal to dash meter. So here 1 meter we will write as it is because it is in meter only, plus this 5 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1/100th meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon 100 meter. That means 0.05 meter. So here we can write 0.05 meter. Now let us add this number. 1 meter plus 0.05 meter. So here decimal point and here 2 zeros, because here 2 digits after decimal point. So 5 0 decimal point and 1. So 1.05 meter. So student, in this way you can convert centimeter into meters, and also you can write the meter centimeter into meters. Now proceeding further here, how big can you get? A. After breathing out 1.52 meter, and on taking a deep breath 1.82 meter. So difference in size is, so to find out the difference in size we have to subtract. So 1.82 meter minus 1.52 meter. Here 1.82 meter minus 1.52 meter. 2 minus 2 0, 8 minus 5 3, decimal point, and here 0, and here this is meter. So 0.30 meter is the difference. 0.30 meter is the difference in size. Do this for yourself and find the difference. So children, you also do yourself this exercise and find the difference. Now here is question B. You have to grow 45 centimeter more to reach 2 meter height. Now here this girl says to this boy, you have to grow 45 centimeter more to reach 2 meter height. Now what is Dinesh height in meters? So here also we have to do subtraction to find out the height of Dinesh. Here is given 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So here we have to subtract 45 centimeter from 2 meter. That means 2 meter minus, here 45 centimeter we have to convert into meter. So 45 centimeter we can write as 45 upon 100 meter, and that also we can write in decimal as 0.45 meter. So 2 meter minus 0.45 meter. So here decimal point, and here after decimal there are 2 digits, so here also plus 2 zeros. Now let us subtract this. 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract, so borrow from here. Here remain 1, here 9, and here 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. And here decimal point, here 1 minus 0, so 1. So 1.55 meter. That also we can write as 1 meter and 55 centimeter. So here answer is 1 meter and 55 centimeter is the height of Dinesh. And height of Dinesh is in meter is 1.55 meter. And here in meter and centimeter we can write as 1 meter and 55 centimeter. Children, here is the end of this session. I hope you have understood and clear these questions. Practice for this question and write it in your fair book. Thank you.